Welcome to part 3. In this part we are going to learn about inline and external CSS. Let's start with external CSS. For external CSS you will have to create an external CSS file. For creating external CSS file, press the shortcut key Ctrl+N. Now save this file by pressing Ctrl+S. Now write the file name with .css extension, like here I am writing style.css. Save the file. Now come back to the index.html file. Now for external CSS you will have to use link tag inside head tag, like this. Basically we use link tag to interconnect your CSS file with the main index.html one. So you will have to provide the path or link of your CSS file inside href attribute. So here we have style.css. Save the file. Now let's test it is working perfect or not. So I am styling the body. Now let's change the background color to tomato. Save the CSS file. Save the index file. Now, as you can see, background color has been changed. So our external CSS file has been working perfectly. So now let's test the inline CSS. Inline CSS is easy. Just you need to use the style attribute inside the opening tag of your div, like here h1 is present, so I will use here the style attribute. Now I want to change the text color, so I will use the color property. Now let's change the font family as well. Save the file. Refresh the browser. As you can see here, text has been appeared. So that's the third part. I hope you like it.